welcome to MS Tutoring Academy. So we are continuing with the questions from Inimitable Academy. Let's go. So 1.1.4, solve for x. So here, first thing we're going to do, let me just rewrite this. This is equals to 2. So first we're going to remove this big square root by squaring both sides. And then we are left with square root of 2 plus square root of x plus x equals to 4. Perfect. We could say let k be, we could use the k substitution. We can do this, right? Or we can just solve directly. So this, so the x here, we're going to rewrite it um, into this so that it has a quadratic form. So if we substitute k there, we see we'll have k squared plus root 2k minus 4 equals 0. Okay, then we would find the value of k using the quadratic formula. Let's see what we get when we do that. So we squared there, remove that, we still have another square root. Yep, I don't like the square root of 2 there. So it's negative b, which is square root of 2, plus the square root of square root of 2b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So k is square root of 2, or k is the other one when we're using minus, minus 2 root 2. Okay, but remember when we're solving for x, so we go back here, x have root 2, x have minus 2 root 2. So now we're going to square both sides to remove the square root so we can get the answer for x, the values for x. Then we get x equals to 2, and then this side x equals to 4 times 2, which is 8. And then let us just test these values from the original question to see if everything is good. 2 to the power of 0.5 plus 2, that's correct. The other one is 8. So we put 8 here, and then we put 8 here. So the other one is not a solution. So we'll cross it out like that. We'll cross it out like that. Minus 2 root 2. Let me do this just to be sure. We got an 8. And then when we test it out here, it didn't work. Only the 2 works. Let's see. Only the 2 works. Yes, only the 2 works. So this other one, we cross it out like that. Okay. So we are done with this one. Let's see the next one. 1.1.5. 5 to the power of x squared plus 1. I was thinking this one maybe should make it have its own separate video, but it's fine. We'll just go with this. This is 5 to the power of negative 2, x minus 2, 5 to the power of x squared plus 1, 5 to the power of negative 2x minus 4. Exponential equation. We can therefore, the bases are the same, so we can equate the exponents. We are equating the exponents. Bring this to the left hand side. 1 plus 4, it's 5. another one that's going to require quadratic equation. Let me check if I copied the question correctly. It's x minus 2 and then negative 2. Okay. There's a mistake. Negative 2 times x is minus 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2, it's plus 4. Yeah, so that's plus 4. So now it's going to be 1 minus 4, which is negative 3. Then we can factorize this and solve. So it's just 3, 1. This one is positive, this one is negative. We're going to get 3x minus x, which gives us the middle term of 2x. We get the solution of x equals to 1 or x equals to negative 3. And we are done with this one. Yeah, you can just test out the values if they're correct or not onto the original question that we have there, but it should be fine.